Hello friends. Sunflowers and poppies blooming on hand-painted terracotta pots. Highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. The terracotta pot is a perfect gift for anyone who loves sunflowers and poppies. This terracotta pot is an ideal decoration for a bedroom, indoor garden, kitchen, study, office, desktop, windowsill, balcony, etc.